For a super special Scandinavian Christmas dessert, I'm baking up a recipe that's been in Nick's family for generations. It is the Hagen family Blotkake. It's a Norwegian cream cake that's light and spongy and decorated with fresh whipped cream and berries. It's very celebratory. Okay, I've got my 5 eggs. I'll add 2 cups of sugar and get this onto my mixer. And I'll get this beating for a few good minutes until it's pale and fluffy, which will give the cake nice structure. All right. Okay. Wow, I can't even imagine what a workout it would have been for Nick's ancestors to make this before they had a stand mixer. I'll turn this back on and drizzle in ½ cup of water. Okay. I'll grab my dry ingredients. This is 2½ cups of all-purpose flour and 2 heaping teaspoons of baking powder. And I'm gonna sift these in, which is important to ensure that there are no lumps of dry ingredients. And some kosher salt, which is the only addition I have made to the original. And I'll fold this all together, being careful not to deflate all the air that I just beat into the eggs. This is such an easy cake to make. It all comes together in one bowl. Doesn't get much better than that. Look at how glossy this is. That's a good cake batter. Pagans, they knew. Okay, ready for the cake pan. I have a 9-inch springform cake pan that I've greased and lined on the bottom with parchment. And the springform one is nice because it's so high. I'm baking this all in one pan, and then when it comes out of the oven, I'll slice it into 2 layers. Look at that. This cake takes a while to bake. I'm gonna start checking it at 1 hour, and I'll know that it's done when it's golden on top and a toothpick stuck into the center comes out clean, and it's gonna bake at 325 degrees. My cake baked up beautifully, and now it's cooling. And now to finish it off, I'll make some vanilla whipped cream. I'll start with 3 cups of heavy cream that's nice and cold. Sweeten it with a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and splash in some vanilla extract. And I'll beat this to stiff peaks. Okay, looking good. I'll set this aside while I prepare my cranberries. I've got some fresh cranberries here. I'll toss them with some sugar. My cake is cool and ready to assemble. Dun, 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 dun. Hello. I'll carefully cut this into 2 layers. And I'm gonna rotate this as I go, just trying my very best to keep an even line. And as I saw, I'll work my way into the center. And now I'll make a great big cake sandwich with a layer of whipped cream and cranberries in the middle. And then I'll cover the outside with whipped cream and adorn with more cranberries and some fresh rosemary, just because it's pretty. Happy holidays.